Hi, my dear students. I am Divya Ram. I am continuing the teaching of the lesson carbonyl compounds subjective type questions. Now we'll go to the 16th question, that is, which of the following statement is wrong? 2 pentanone and 3 pentanone are position isomers. Yes, it's right only. What is position isomers? Different structures due to the change of position of functional group. Yes, ketone group in first molecule, it is in second carbon. If 3 pentanone means in third carbon, the functional group that is ketone will be there. So that is true only. That are called position isomers. Then go for second one. Aqueous solution of formaldehyde is known as formalin. Yes, that also straightly we came to know that it's correct only. Then next one. Aldehydes and ketones undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. So in the aldehydes and ketones there is C double bond O bond, isn't it? So in the C double bond O, what will happen? There only addition happens, breaking of one bond, and one molecule will be added here, carbon, and one atom will be added to this one. So in this molecule, what happened in this functional group CO, there is carbonyl, even though it's a aldehyde or ketone, this due to this functional CO, addition reaction takes place. So this is the wrong statement. So C is the answer. Okay. Then aldehyde acts as reducing agents. Yes, it gets oxidized, isn't it? So it is called, it is reducing agents. Then go for the next question. A cyanohydrine of a compound X on hydrolysis gives lactic acid. The X is. So we are getting the lactic acid, isn't it? So which one will be along this? So you will get acid. So definitely it will be oxidized product X has been hydrolyzed to acid. So this should be CH3CHO. Okay, CH3CHO. HCHO, there will not be hydro, where we will add the cyanohydrine OC, and then lactic acid we will not get. Okay, so possible option is number of carbons. If we count means only the B option should be the right answer. Okay, then we will go for next one. The IUPAC name of this molecule. First, we have to know that we have to give importance to the functional group. Which is the functional group here? It is CO. So that should be the least number of counting. So we have to count from this side. So this is the chain. One, this carbon, then second one will be the least two. If you naming from this side, what will happen? 1 2 3 4, it will get 4. So that is not advisable. So we have to count from this carbon. So 1 2 3 4 5. So it is nothing but pent, isn't it? Along this, what we will get? It is a ketone. So we will get ONE. We have to, which position it is? 2 carbon, second carbon, the ketone is there, isn't it? So we can easily understand that it is in the second carbon. This is 2 1. So first 2 options we have to go through it. The last one and C, D is not the answer. So we have to go to this option and this option. Then where is the double bond here? Since we are counting from this side, 1 2 3. So double bond is in 3. So in both options 3 in. That is also correct. Only the difference in the methyl group position. So In which carbon methyl group is extra attached? This carbon, this methyl group means fourth carbon. So answer is A. We can name it 4-methyl pent 3-ene 2-one. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then we will go to the next question. Which of the following does not give iodoform test? Okay, we know that iodoform test is for ketone. Okay, so if you see this one first, the C and D, it is alcohol group. So this option is not correct. This option. Then we go through this A and B. So what is acetophenone? We have to know. I will draw the structure. See, this is the acetophenone. Here carbon is there, but if you want to put, you can put, otherwise no need. But you should understand that there is a carbon. Okay, CO. See, this is the what called acetophenone. So if a benzophenone means what? 2 benzene rings attached to one keto group. So this is the benzophenone. So benzophenone, there is no hydrogen available. So benzophenone cannot undergo iodoform test. So B is the correct option. Okay, benzophenone cannot undergo iodoform test because there is no available hydrogen in that molecule. Okay, then the compound which does not reduce Fehling solution. Fehling solution does not undergo means it's a, what is formaldehyde? H3HO. So this one cannot undergo the Fehling solution, cannot reduce the Fehling solution. Okay, then go for the next question. Direct question only, isn't it? So acetone has been hydrolyzed through concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid means, actually here we are using the 3 molecules of acetone will be there, like this. C3, this is acetone structure. 3 molecules of acetone is there. Okay, in this H2O has been removed from this 3 molecules H2O. Then it will combine together and it will become like this. CH3 group, here CH3 and here on CH3 and this one CH3 group is there. So what it is called? It is mesitylene. It is called mesitylene. So first option. So mesitylene is the answer. Only the thing is 3 molecules of CH3COCH3 should be used. Then only removal of 3 molecules of water, then it will combine together to become mesitylene. Okay, yes, so A is the correct option. Which compound on strong oxidation gives propionic acid? So see, propionic acid means how many carbons will be there? This thing, yeah, 3 carbon, prop, isn't it? So which among this, which one is having this 3 carbon? Just go through each so we can, yeah, it is not the option. Then this is also, sorry. So remaining propionic acid on oxidation it should give acid. So it must be a ketone, not sorry, it must be a alcohol. So B is not option, good option. So primary and secondary alcohol is there. So it is, since it is a propionic acid means easily we can understand it is a primary acid. So it is primary, from primary alcohol only it can be made. So the option will be D. Propionic acid is obtained from propanol. Okay, so this is the option. First you have to understand acid can be obtained by the oxidation of the alcohol. Okay, then the compound used in the preparation of triangulation sulfonol. It's a triangular sulfonation means it's one of the use directly. It has been written in the textbook that acetone is used in the preparation of triangulate sulfonal. Okay, then calcium acetate, calcium benzoate distillation gives, see, in that both of the molecules together, how many benzene ring is there? Only one benzene ring, isn't it? So what a distillation means, water will be removed. Acetate means ester. In that water is removed means we will get one benzene ring will be there. Then benzaldehyde. Benzophenone, it is not the option because two benzene ring is there. This is the benzophenone. Just understand. We already told in previous questions also. This is a benzophenone. See, here only one benzene ring. So A is not the option. Then if we go through the acetophenone, that also we discussed, isn't it? So acetophenone, what is this? This is a structure of acetophenone. This is the CH3 instead of CH3 the benzene ring has been attached. So it is acetophenone. Okay, so next we will go for benzaldehyde. So A is not there, C is not there, we will go for the benzaldehyde. Yes, this is the correct answer because only one benzene ring is there. So this is the benzaldehyde. Okay, this is benzaldehyde is the correct option. Do you understand what I am telling? Otherwise you can message me, I will explain to you detailedly. Okay, bakelite is a product of reaction between, we know that bakelite means it's a polymerized product, polymerization of phenol and methanol. Okay, it's a direct question only. So this is the today's class. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.